Let's say we want to take 3 squared and multiply that by 2 squared. So we already know that 3 squared is the same as saying 3 multiplied with 3, so that is 9. And 2 squared is the same as saying 2 multiplied by 2, and that is 4. And you notice that I keep the multiplication in between the terms, and I'll only multiply 9 with 4. And this is equal to 36. Let us look at a harder example. Let's say we have 9 squared minus 4 raised to the power of 3, or 4 cubed. Multiply that with 1 cubed. Now it's important not to just go 9 squared minus 4 times 1 cubed. The order of operations is important. So what we want to do is do the multiplication first. But before we get to the multiplication, we want to deal with the exponents. So 9 squared is the same as saying 9 times 9, which is 81. Remember, the power tells us how many 9s we need. So this is 81 minus 4 raised to the power of 3. So that is 4 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 64. And then 1 raised to the power of 3 is 1 times 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. And that is simply equal to 1. Now the order of operations is important. So remember, we do calculations from left to right, and we would do multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. So from left to right, I see this multiplication. So I need to do that before addition and subtraction. And now that I dealt with the multiplication, I can say 81 minus 64, and that is equal to 17.